Let's take a brief look at custom sorting. Normally, when you come out and sort, you would click on the column you want to sort, and you normally sort by columns, and you would say smallest to largest or largest to smallest over here in the Sort and Filter button under the Editing group in the Home tab. And if I do that, and I'll sort largest to smallest, you can see it sorts on this column starting with 5 all the way down. But you can also sort by row. So I have January, February, March, April. If I would like to have my columns sorted individually left to right instead of top to bottom, I can do that. I would come out here, select my range, go to Sort and Filter, and choose Custom Sort. Now under the Custom Sort box, I'll go under Options and make sure that I'm sorting left to right. And then over here, I would make sure that I'm sorting by row 3, which would be this guy right here. And I'm going to go ahead and sort just A to Z. And I'll click OK. And of course, I get April, February, January, and March. So that's A to Z looking this way instead of this way. That is left to right instead of top to bottom. Now, if I want to go back and sort this the way it was, you can come out here with it still selected and choose Sort and Filter, Custom Sort. Make sure we're sorting left to right. And then over here, we're going to sort on row 3, but this time we're going to choose Custom List. And in the Custom List box, I'm going to choose, in this case, January, February, March, chronological. Any list that you have built inside of here, you can go ahead and do a custom sort based on that list as well. See my video on creating lists. So I'm going to choose my months. I'll go ahead and click OK. I will make sure I'm on row 3, which is the row for the months that I have selected here, and I'll go ahead and click OK again, and I'm sorted back chronologically starting with January.